AI in Healthcare updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. Apple researchers found language models perform worse on harder puzzles, like the Tower of Hanoi, despite ample tokens. Performance peaks mid-difficulty, then drops. Simple models handle easy tasks. Reasoning-enhanced ones do better mid-range, but both fail on tough problems. This challenges scaling as a path to reasoning. Omada Health's IPO jumped 21%, raising $150 million. Revenue rose 38% in 2024 to $170 million with halved losses. Its GLP-1 companion and AI food coach, Omada Spark, drove investor interest, signaling renewed appetite for near-profitable digital health IPOs. Eli Lilly released Lilly Health, a Tirzepatide companion app using WellDoc's FDA-cleared tech. Features include reminders, dose logs, CGM syncing, and AI coaching to improve outcomes and payer value. The NIH published a draft AI strategy spanning biomedical research, decision support, and semi-autonomous science. It plans testbeds with the FDA and VA and outlines principles on trust, readiness, and workforce development. ChatNT merges a nucleotide transformer with a vicuna model to let researchers ask genomics questions in plain English. It outperformed prior models without fine-tuning, aided by a new projection and confidence system. A study with 33 cancer patients showed AI structured interviews well, but missed emotional nuance. A hybrid model combining AI speed and human insight is proposed, with a checklist for safe use. A Beijing trial found a smart pillbox boosted adherence in severe mental illness from 21% to 78% in 1 year. Fatigue fell, usability scored high, and relapse-related hospitalizations dropped. 4 top LLMs showed racial bias when given psychiatric cases with varied implied race. Up to 30% of treatment plans worsened for Black patients. Gemini was least biased, local LLAMA fared worst. Authors call for audits and clinician education. Artera AI's prostate cancer model doubled 5-year mortality prediction in high-risk STAMPEDE patients, even with low metastases, potentially guiding treatment intensity. AirPredict combines wearables, air monitors, spirometry, and diaries for asthma care. Clinicians gave high usability scores. Patient Bluetooth complaints were addressed. It enters broader testing. Duke and Google trained a phone-based model predicting multiple sclerosis flare-ups 3 months in advance with 80 to 90% accuracy, enabling earlier treatment adjustments. Videra Health's TD screen detects tardive dyskinesia from selfie videos in minutes, outperforming human raters with an AUC of 0.89. It enables faster medication adjustments for antipsychotic users. Germany's Saturn AI connects GPs to rare disease experts, analyzing symptoms and routing referrals via the SE Atlas registry for faster diagnosis. Stanford researchers redesigned zinc finger domains using AI, reducing immunogenicity while boosting editing precision by 2 to 6 times. Using human protein backbones may avoid immune responses seen with CRISPR, aiding CAR-T and in vivo therapies. Nucleus Genomics now ranks IVF embryos by IQ, height, and ADHD risk via polygenic scores. Experts warn it's unreliable. Critics compare it to eugenics and urge regulation. FAU researchers built a smartphone tool that detects nystagmus using facial landmark tracking. A headset version aims to bring real-time triage to ERs. In Silico's AI design drug Rentosertib showed promise in pulmonary fibrosis, improving lung function over placebo in Phase 2A. It's the first clinical proof for an AI-discovered target. A flexible electronic starfish tattoo tracks heart activity, detecting arrhythmias with over 90% accuracy. It's breathable, wireless, and suited for home cardiac monitoring. Dresden researchers use GPT-4 to integrate imaging, pathology, and clinical data. raising oncology treatment planning accuracy from 30% to 87% while reducing hallucinations. Clarity Breast, an image-only AI model, earned FDA clearance for 5-year breast cancer risk scoring. It detects mammogram patterns and integrates into existing imaging systems. The Royal Marsden launched an AI MLOps hub with NTT data and CarpL.ai to support real-time cancer model testing. Dashboards track model drift to ensure safe NHS deployment. Stay ahead in AI and digital health research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for experts.